Hey, what's up, Shibano holder? So this is urgent update, my brother, and I am really sorry to Shibano at the current time very badly fails down. But remember, my all holder, be safe, be safe. I will guide you, my brother, and I hope if you follow this channel exactly, absolutely, you never lost. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Let's start, my friend. First of all, I want to show you the latest update, and after that, we decide to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Let's see, my brother, and what's can next time they moving upward, and upcoming times they move upward or they falls down. So first of all, my brother, the update is very important. You can see, my friend, this time the last 24 hour 10% they falls down, and the price is, you can see here, 0.0015, they again falls down very fastly, my brother, and already they hit 3.5 USD dollar. This time they again come to 15 USD dollar. So it's very bad fails, my friend, especially in the last 24 hours, especially last week, my brother. From the last week they falls down, not just even last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 7 days continuously, my friend, they slowly falls down, and the market cap 10% falls down, fully diluted market cap 10.49% falls down. Volume, you can see here, this time volume of last 24 hours, this time, my friend, is 2 billion, as exactly very badly falls down, 3.90% falls down. So exactly everything is going to be very bad, especially the price is very badly decreased. So all holders completely, my friends, cannot decide. You can see this time, my brother, in the chart, absolutely, you understand. Just a minute, my brother, you understand. Just a minute, I zoom it. Yeah, my brother, all holders, you can see this time, after a big jump, my friends, they completely falls down. So you can see this time, after a big jump, they completely falls down, and there is no option. You can see they completely falls down. So this is the main point, my friends, to understand. Kindly holder, you can see here, after a fails, they take a long jump. You can see here every cryptocurrency, I have a 3 year experience, and absolutely I am a 9 coin holder, everybody know this. So you can see here, this time I use this formula. You can see here, when they fails down, so I use this. If they cannot fails, they cannot take a jump, so therefore I decide to sell it. But definitely, my friends, the Shiba good time is coming soon. I know 1 point more, my friends, remaining to they take a very good jump. There is one more chance. You can see here, after this point, you can see here, they completely fell down. But definitely, you can see here, after this, you can see here, after a very long time they take a good jump. But definitely, absolutely, this time also, after a long time they take a jump. So guys, continuously, I hope it's the end of with every cryptocurrency, especially the short time investors, they are investing, they're starting investing. So therefore, I hope, my friend, to at the end of this month, there is more chance to at the end of this month they take a very good jump, and they give you very good profit. So if they give you very good profit, then absolutely this depend on you research personally more and more, and if you decide to this is selling time, so exactly at the end is good time, my friends, to you sell it. So sell it at the to the end of this month. This will be very good from all of you, but don't sell it in those days. So I hope you understand, my brother, and absolutely you subscribe this channel. I update you, I give you more information. Just 30 minutes, my brother, just 30 minutes take a time. Absolutely, I upload next video, my friends, for with regular Shiba. Absolutely, I give you more information about Shiba also, but you just and only subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. So keep touch with this channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.